Been a while, I know, but I got some updates for you. Stay tuned. As you can see, there's been some changes. You know, we've added the RV. We like doing the camping every year, and traveling, and I miss traveling with, you know, I used to be in sales, I used to travel a lot, so I'd love to get back out on the roads, and this is a great way to do it. So the idea is to get an enclosed trailer and put this in it and go hit some more shows through North America. You know, for now with the whole COVID thing, we're not going to leave too far from home, so we're in Ontario for now, and it might be that way for a little while, I don't know. But the plan is to travel out and see guys that are actually building replicas. Maybe you're building one of these, or you have a replica, or you have a kit car and you want to share it, or you'd love to share it. One of my favorite things, one of the best videos I've done and enjoyed, was shooting Ron's Diablo that he did. I'd like to do a lot more of that. So if you have something you want to share and you think it fits the bill, send me some pictures of it. My email address is in the description below, and I'd love to see what you have there. Probably won't get it too far this year, other than maybe Ontario, but we might go out a little further, you know, once COVID lifts, sort of thing. So I've been pretty busy while COVID's been going on, and that's why there hasn't been a lot of videos. But the only thing we've had time to do is I just took this out. I've done a few blocks here and there. I need to get the alignment done, but the guy, the tech that does it, isn't back for another 2 weeks. So it's going to be a little while before I can take it on the road, drive it a lot, because I can tell it's just a little bit out of alignment. But we got a bath today, and next weekend we'll probably clean it up with a wax and everything else, and that'll keep me occupied with it for now. So anyways, otherwise that's about it. Nothing really new to report with it. Everything's fine with it, and except for that needing the alignment, and needs gas right now too, so I'll have to do that. But that's about it. If you have a car or a replica or a kit you're building or built and you want to share it, send me your info. Let me know where you are, and we'll start trying to maybe organize some connections here where we can do some trips and take this with us and share ours, and you share yours. See ya. I think I picked the hottest day ever to do this. How my wife reminds me not to do things in my lazy morning. Haul this in an enclosed trailer, do some travel. Sounds good.